Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Recently, I am obsessed with bonsai and I have started my bonsai collection. In this video, I'm gonna show you some gorgeous bonsai trees. I hope you will enjoy this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. We will talk about all different kinds of plants in the future. I will also show you how to make handcraft flowers using nylon stockings. Okay, let's get started. This little green tree is camellia. Camellias are evergreens with dark and glossy leaves. Their flowers can be white, pink, or red, and their petals can be single or double. Camellias thrive in part shade. They like well-drained soil with a pH from 6 to 6.5. Dry periods could cause fewer flowers and spider mite infestation. So please water them to keep soil consistently moist. Camellias can endure temperatures as cold as -10 Fahrenheit or -23 Celsius. We will leave this plant outside in winter. The most incredible thing is that it actually blooms in winter. Imagine beautiful red flowers in the snow. I'm really excited. Here is the flame maple. It's already over 20 years old. As you can see, the trunk is pretty thick. Their leaves turn bright red or yellow in fall, very pretty. Maple trees are one of my favorite bonsai because of their gorgeous foliage in autumn. This tree is not as hardy as camellia, but they need to go through cold. They need to be dormant in winter. So I will keep this maple tree in the garage during winter. They don't need sunlight when it is dormant, but we need to water it once the soil is dry. Another way to protect its root is to plant the maple tree in the ground near the house. This is a little weeping cherry. It actually didn't bloom this spring, but it is blooming now in the fall. It has pretty pink flowers, and I keep this little tree inside the house during winter. Next, I will give you a tour of a local bonsai store. They had a Halloween party today. I hope you will love their bonsai, and happy Halloween, and thank you for watching.